Video on the versatility of this Costco folding dolly tool cart. You can use it like that as a cart. This thing actually also folds in like so. Costco folding series. And for this particular video, I am going to be moving this dresser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it as a furniture dolly. I'm going to use it as a furniture dolly, and we are going to be loading this onto here with the legs sticking out right there. Just get that. Now I've got the dresser on it. I'm going to be moving it around like a furniture dolly. I'm going to pull it over this way a bit, or scoot it up a little bit more so that it's not on the wheel. And in theory, I can move it around just like a furniture dolly. One of the things that I love the most about this Costco folding series dolly, it's its versatility in carrying all kinds of things. But that's pretty amazing.